Say hello to the ultimate mealtime solution, the Ninja AD600CO Foodi 7-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer. This versatile, family-sized air fryer is designed to take your cooking to the next level with its 7-in-1 functionality. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, or more, the Foodi does it all with unmatched convenience and efficiency. At the heart of this appliance is the 11-quart MegaZone FlexBasket, giving you the flexibility to cook full meals in one go. Need to prepare 2 dishes at once? Simply insert the basket divider and you can cook 2 different foods, 2 different ways, all at the same time. The Smart Finish technology ensures both are ready at the same time, so your meals come together effortlessly. Cooking for a crowd? The family size capacity makes it easy to whip up large portions, perfect for gatherings, big families, or meal prepping. From crispy air-fried chicken to tender roasted veggies, this air fryer delivers delicious results every time. Not just about size, this Ninja Foodi is also about precision. With its wide range of cooking functions, you can air fry to golden perfection, roast hearty dinners, bake decadent desserts, or reheat leftovers to taste like they were freshly made. And clean up, it's a breeze. The non-stick basket and divider are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Plus, with its sleek, compact design, the Foodi fits seamlessly into your kitchen while offering maximum versatility. This renewed model is quality inspected and guaranteed to perform like new, so you can enjoy top-notch cooking without breaking the bank. Ready to revolutionize your mealtime routine? Choose the Ninja AD600CO Foodi 7-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer for smarter, faster and tastier cooking. Order yours today and experience the difference.